Republican Party of India Dhwale during a National Core Committee meeting held in New Delhi has unanimously endorsed Manipur Unit President Maheshwar to lead the party's organizational affairs and finalize decisions in Manipur. Rpi-A Manipur Unit appealed to the people to support a party with no presence of high command structure. Addressing the media at the party's office in Keshampad, Party Secretary and spokesperson Jimmy Thokchom said that the core committee meeting, which took place on February 6 at New Maharashtra Stadium, New Delhi, was chaired by Rpi-A founder and Union Minister Ramdas Athwale and attended by Northeast in charge Vinod Nikalji, National Secretary Maheshwar and other party executives. The committee gave full powers to the party's Manipur unit in addressing the state's issues, highlighting a lack of high command structure and strengthening the party's presence in the region. Noting that Rpi-A Manipur unit is a recognized political party, he emphasized that national leaders have acknowledged the importance of local priorities, vesting full authority in the state unit to advocate for regional interests.
Manipur sigi wa kya aruba tanaba kanda Oja Maheshwar gi teaching makhada mi mayam na support tawba amasu party na su thajaba kaya leibaduna free hand independently work tawba haibise kaino habida akoi gi Rpi-A di sumna su high command structure se leijade aduna akoi free hand thabak tawba ngami aduga akoi gi state oina di akoi dagi henna phajana khangbadi mi atopana khanggadaba nate adu Oja Maheshwar na ada amna kupna tanaraga wa kya sanabagi tungda moina su trust tawrakpanina aduga akoigi lamgi issues awaba chahi ahumdagi tawrakhiba adugi mamangdasu Oja Maheshwar as a person mahakti thabak tawbase leptabani akoina regional party oirabanina work tominaba akoi thabak punna taminaba awana ko share tominaba adugumba sisu akoi party na yamna munna lawsali khangjali Oja Maheshwar masamaksu yodama mafam leite Ehaksu laaga yodaba mafam leite aduna akoina thabak ama tawge na khongthang se thanga banina appeal tawjiri puna makbu asi akoigi vision se akoina lamgi damakta akoigi maleba ki damakta shanti ki damakta or development ki damakta akoina thabak ya tawjage na khanbasida support tawbiyu